Hello friends, my name is Vinod Kumar Agarwal, faculty for Advanced Financial Management. I have got rank in all the three levels of CA exam: CA Foundation All India 2nd rank, CA Intermediate All India 4th rank, CA Final All India 24th rank. Plus I have done articleship from Big Four, Deloitte. Earlier it was called SB Bilmoria and AF Ferguson. So I have done articleship from there, and I have been teaching AFM since last 21 years. So we have prepared video lectures on AFM subjects in two languages, in Hindi and English, and you can purchase either Hindi or English according to your comfort. The purpose of presenting this lecture today is that I want to give you an idea that we have covered the entire syllabus in detail, and we have taken all the questions from study material, RTP, MTP and past exam going up to last 25 to 30 years and checking whether there was any question on this particular topic. So here I am going to first present before you how many questions have we covered in the classroom, and this will give you a very comprehensive learning. In order to pass our final exam, the student should not adopt shortcut. He should practice many varieties of question and a large number of questions, and I know how to come in rank. I have come in rank in all the three exams. I have also passed CPA exam of USA, a very difficult exam with more than 90% marks. So I know how to crack such professional exams, and the only way to do it to have a comprehensive learning, no use of shortcut. So you will see that we have covered in our first topic, financial policy and corporate strategy, there is one theory question. Second topic, risk management, has two units in our book. One is risk management theory, on which we don't have question, but there is a topic called value at risk, on which we have taken 8 questions in the classroom. The third chapter is security analysis, where we have two theory topics, unit 1 fundamental analysis, unit 2 technical analysis, and these are theory topics, so we don't have questions on that. Chapter number 4, security evaluation, has 3 units, and look at the number of questions I have covered in the class. On bond valuation we have covered 119 questions in the class, and there are few more questions I must have dictated. Unit 2 valuation of share, 69 question. Unit 3 a small topic, money market instrument, but I have found questions from last 25 years, and we have 22 questions in the notes, and we have covered in the class. One of the most important topics of your syllabus, portfolio management, requires a very detailed understanding, and we have taken 152 questions in our class. You can come and you can check the class notes. Securitization is a theory topic, there is only one theory question. Mutual fund, a simple looking chapter but regularly asked in the exam, and we have covered 77 questions. Derivative chapter I have divided into 7 units for convenient learning. The first 4 are important, they are numerical. Derivative future, 59 questions. Commodity derivative, I have taken 5 questions. Derivative options, we have taken 59 questions. Real options, the newly added chapter, we have taken 3 questions, and there are 3 theory topics. Then chapter number 9, again a very important topic called foreign exchange exposure and risk management. For convenient learning we have divided into 6 units. The first unit, which is foreign exchange management basics, we have 39 questions. International parity relationship, we have 40 questions. Foreign exchange derivative, we have 66 questions. Foreign currency arbitrage, 9 questions. Foreign exchange account, 10 questions. Execution of forward contract, 26 questions. And then it continues in chapter number 10 also, international financial management, which I have divided into 3 units. international capital budgeting, where we have 20 questions. International working capital management, where we have 15 questions, and there is a theory topic called international sources of finance. Normally students call these two topics as forex. If you take the total, it will come to somewhere close to 200 questions covered in the class. Chapter 11, the newly added chapter, advanced capital budgeting. How many questions would you find in the study material? Around 30 to 35 questions. But I have taken all the efforts to compile each and every question asked by the institute in last 25 to 30 years, including some question taken from intermediate exam also, which are relevant in your syllabus right now. Question are high quality and they are very relevant for the upcoming exam. Interest rate risk management. In your study material you have 10 to 12 questions. Past exams you have 10 to 12 questions. But we have collected questions from multiple sources, including reference books, and we have 64 questions covered on international interest rate risk management. Chapter 13, again a very important chapter, business and corporate valuation. For easy learning, I have divided into 5 units. Business valuation, 39 questions we have covered. Special cases, in your study material you don't have any single question, but still we have covered 3 important questions. Economic value added, simple looking topic, we have 32 questions. Shareholder value analysis is just a theory topic, and market value added, even this small topic, we have 6 questions. Mergers and acquisition, we have 99 questions of all the past exam RTP, MTP and the current study material. And then startup finance, theory topic, but still we have collected 16 theory topics in startup finance. I believe this is the most comprehensive material and most comprehensive lecture that you will ever get. And trust me, if you do it 2 or 3 times before going to the exam, you are bound to get very good results. So in summary, I am going to tell you about our AFM video lecture. There are 2 options. You can purchase in Hindi or English, applicable for 2024, 2025 and onwards exam. The duration is approximately 290 to 95 hours. Study material, you will get class notes, 2 volumes, you will get one MCQ question book, you will get summary chart. Our study material covers all questions of study material RTP, MTP, past exam and many reference book. You can purchase and watch it on your Android based mobile phone, laptop, desktop. You can also get it on pen drive, and we have covered all the latest exam questions and papers also. So these are the modes of learning. You can watch our lectures on mobile, laptop, desktop. For mobile phone, you can watch it on Android based mobile phone. If you have any language issue, don't worry. We have recorded in 2 languages. We have recorded separately, one in Hindi batch, one in English batch. According to your comfort, you can purchase. The English will be 100% English. The English batch would have 80 to 90% Hindi, 10 to 20% would be English. But mostly it is Hindi only for English language batch. And what are the study material we are going to give you along with video lecture? 2 volumes would be given, which will be called class notes, where we have all questions and answers that we are going to cover in the class. We are going to provide you one summary chart of around 100 pages, which will give you summary of all the chapters, including theory chapters, and it has all the formulae for CA Final AFM at one place. And then you will be given one high quality MCQ book also, which contains very good MCQs on each of these topics. Each topic we have found out from our different resources, and we have compiled one MCQ book. What about the price? That is your question. So there are two options. If you purchase Google Drive, you have two options: validity 1.2 times 1 year, 5,999. Actually it is 5 year now. We have made it 5 year for our student. You can watch it anytime in the next 5 year. I hope you will not require 5 year time. Or if you want a higher views, you can take 1.8 views with 5 year validity. And if you want in pen drive mode, you will have to pay 1000 rupees extra for pen drive. So I think our prices are very reasonable. The objective is that most of the students should get the benefit of this high quality lecture. Please share this information with your friend that AFM video lecture, regular video lecture is available only for 5,999, and you can place your order on our website vino.in. If you have any doubt, any query, we are going to help you out. You can ask your query on email asfoundation1@gmail.com. You can call us on the numbers appearing on the screen. You can visit our website vino.in and you will get all the details. We'll be very happy to help you out. My only objective is that you should get very good marks in AFM, and the cost should not be a constraint for you. Maximum people should get the maximum benefit of this high quality lectures. So dear student, thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best.